Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. While that other video was loading, I was just about to delete this file and I thought that would be a pretty cool looking background. It's different, but easy to make once you've done this. And I've done it with if you watch the other video had a rounded corner. So there's more open spaces in here, but it'd probably be easier to do it with the one that I made just with square corners, just leaving off that one rounded corner. I've already made it 5 inches across. I've set my nudge factor to 5 inches. I'm going to Control D and move that over. And you could do as many of those as you want. Then Control G to group them, Control D to duplicate it, and then mirror it. Then just kind of move it out of the way and take that very one node and have it snap to there. I always find it easier just do the whole thing duplicate, so you're not, you're just doing sections of it. Then you Control D, and you can make it as big as you wanted, or as many of those as you wanted. This one, you would have to group it together, Control G, and then bring in a rectangle, and just make sure you're within the boundary of all of them. See, like I'm off there a little bit. Select both your items and go to intersect, and then that gave you that. And then, I don't know if some of you don't know this, you can have that shape and hold down the Shift key, double click on your rectangle, and it'll give you a box, exactly the shape. Turn that block black and go up to order and put it at the back of the page. And that's going to make it totally look different. And you could even play around with that black. We could let's just play interactive fill tool. I'm going to go here, but I'm going to use the conical and then set that to the center and just kind of see what this looks like when we nudge it over. Doesn't really do anything, but it does give it an effect that some of them are white, and you could do it with different colors. Might even be better in this case. Get back to the interactive fill tool and just put a light blue on that edge and a darker blue on that edge, and kind of expand that light blue out and then move that over. It just gives it a different look. I didn't go over far enough, but that is a pretty cool background. I actually like the black the best. That's kind of goes with the theme, but very easily done. And I like the rounded off one too. Kind of hard to describe what it even is. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.